object in rest stays in rest until acted upon by an outside force, and an object in motion stays in motion until acted upon by an outside force. For example, a book over here, if I was to set it on the table right here, it would be perfectly still. However, if tipped over, the book would fall down, even though it was in rest, just because I was the outside force in the demonstration. I want to slide this book across the table. The chair will cause the book to stop, even though the book was in motion. The chair will cause as the outside force. Here we go.
Newton's second law of motion is the acceleration of an object as produced by a net force is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force in the same direction as the net force and inversely proportional to the mass of the object.
For example, when picking up the empty basket, it takes 5 newtons of force. Then as I add clothes, the amount of newtons it takes to lift up the basket increases from 5 to say 10 newtons. Now with the basket full, the amount of newtons it takes to lift the basket up will go from say 10 to 15 newtons of force.
Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal or opposite reaction. For example, if I go over here, you get 2 books. They don't have to be of the same size because of Newton's third law. Come to this table right here. You see, if the book on the right hit the book on the left with 25 newtons of force, then that means the book on the left hit the book on the right with 25 newtons of force due to Newton's third law of motion.